Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Cursed Walking in Minecraft. Let's get started. First, quit Minecraft completely. Make sure Minecraft is installed on your PC before proceeding. This mod pack won't work otherwise. Next, open a web browser and go to CourseForge.com. Then click the Get CourseForge app button at the top right and download the standalone installer. Once downloaded, run the installer, then select your language, accept the terms of use, and click Install. After installation, open the CourseForge app on the left, then select Minecraft. If it doesn't detect your game, click Scan or manually add it. Now, click on the search at the top and type Cursed Walking. Find the mod pack, then click on it to view details. And then click Install in the top right, and this will download and install the pack, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, it will appear under My Mod Packs. Hover over it and click play. If you experience lag, open the settings and select the Minecraft pack and allocate more RAM, but no more than half of your system's memory. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.